Welcome to Ms. Huong English Class.
Hello everyone, welcome to our school. Today I would like to introduce our wonderful school to all of you, and let's learn some English words together. Are you ready? Let's go.
School. Let me show you around my school. This is my school. There are a playground, a library, a computer room, an art room, a music room, a gym, and many classrooms. School. School. This is a playground. We come here to play and have fun there. Playground. Playground.
Hello, Ken.
Hello, Suri.
Let's go to the library.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome to our library. This is an interesting place where we read and borrow books. Library? Library. Let's visit the computer room. This is a computer room. There are many computers in this room. Computer room. Computer room. Let's guess. We often draw and paint pictures. What room is this? Exactly! It's an art room. Art room. Art room. This is a room where we sing, dance, and play instruments. That's right! It's a music room. Music room. Music room. Let's go to another room. Welcome to our gym. We play sports and do exercise here. Gym. Gym. Let's move to the next place. This is a classroom. Here, we learn new things every day. Classroom. Classroom.
Suri, let's go to the gym.
Sorry, I'm busy.
Do you remember some English words about school? Let's review them together. Playground. Playground. Library. Library. Computer room. Computer room. Art room. Art room. Music room. Music room. Gym. Gym. Classroom. Classroom. Watch this video once more and try to remember them. See you next time. Goodbye.